guys, I'm Jess, part of the marketing team at Easy Properties. Today we're at Hyde Park House, a beautiful, prestigious development in Hyde Park. Let's go take a look inside. Hyde Park has seen great residential development in recent years. It's also ideally situated close to business hubs such as Rosebank and Sandton. Hyde Park House offers its residents and potential investors exclusive access to all the facilities such as the gym, the bar, the pool, the clubhouse and the restaurant. Easy Properties has secured a material discount of 12.3% on these units, which is a very attractive price point for our investors.